Eli Lilly just absolutely crushed its third quarter earnings. This giant drug maker is blowing past Wall Street expectations, driven by massive demand for its blockbuster weight loss and diabetes shots. Listen up. Eli Lilly reported adjusted profit per share of $7.02. Analysts were only expecting about $6 per share. That is a huge beat. Sales were $17.6 billion, which topped the expectation of $16 billion. That means sales jumped 54% compared to the same time last year. The company's growth engine is all about those popular new shots, Mounjaro for diabetes and Zepbound for weight loss. These drugs are the biggest reason for Lilly's success, now bringing in about 50% of the company's total sales. Mounjaro sales alone hit $6.5 billion for the quarter, beating analyst estimates by over $1 billion. Zepbound sales were also huge, coming in at about $3.6 billion. Because of this knockout performance, Lilly is raising its forecast for the full year of 2025. They now expect total revenue between $63 and $63.5 billion. They also raised their adjusted profit per share outlook to between $23 and $23.70. Lilly isn't slowing down. They are pushing hard to stay ahead in the anti-obesity race, which is projected to be a $150 billion market by the end of the decade. They are investing heavily in a future oral pill candidate called orforglipron, which they plan to file for regulatory approval later this year. An oral pill could be way more convenient than the injectable drugs we see now, like Zepbound or the rival drug Wegovy from Novo Nordisk. The company is also diversifying beyond weight loss. Lilly is making moves in cancer, heart disease, and neuroscience, including major acquisitions. For example, they recently bought a company to add a gene therapy for vision loss to their pipeline. Now, for the reality check. Lilly is currently the largest drug maker out there, but the stock trades at a high price compared to the rest of the industry. The stock's price compared to profit is about 53, and the dividend yield is less than 1%. Also, keep in mind that many of Lilly's older products are seeing prices drop in the United States, and the competition is intense, especially from Novo Nordisk, which is also racing to bring out its own new generation of oral weight loss pills. Despite the high price tag on the stock, the company's growth prospects look robust. For investors, the smart move here is to focus on the long haul. If you want to stay invested in the strongest growth stories in the market, hit that like button, subscribe so you don't miss our next video, and ring that bell for notifications. I'll see you soon.